Most pedig fogadják nagy tapssal a piros sarokba érkező cseh youtubert és valóságshow győztest. And now, his opponent making his way to the red corner, a Czech YouTuber and reality show winner, Jan Sveceny. Hölgyeim és uraim, ez a Nemzetközi Celebbox Liga negyed döntője a férfi középsúly kategóriában. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the International Celebrity Boxing League's men's quarterfinal in the middleweight division. Első versenyzőnk a kék sarokban, a 36 éves, 176 cm magas, a mérlegelésen 76,05 kg súlyú szerb versenyző. Fighting out of the blue corner, he stands 176 centimeters and at 36 years of age, he weighed in at 76.05 kilograms. Fighting out of Belgrade, Serbia, Filip Dukic! És az ellenfele a piros sarokban, a 26 éves, 177 cm magas, a mérlegelésen 75,7 kg súlyú cseh versenyző. And his opponent, fighting out of the red corner, at 26 years of age, he stands 177 centimeters tall and weighed in at 75.7 kilograms. Fighting out of Prague, the Czech Republic, he is Jan Sveceny! És a mérkőzés vezetőbírója, and your referee in charge, Dr. Béki Piroska.
Now you want to see a fair fight. Head up, no holding, no low blow. Listen to my command. Shake hands. Good luck.
Thank you.
Looks like a very interesting fight. This is the last quarterfinal in this weight division. In the Celebrity League, we have to point that out, and the winner will meet the Bulgarian, Filip Dukic, Don Filippo from Serbia in the blue corner. He's a huge showman. He's very extravagant looking. But what he did is he asked for her grandmother's hand, or yeah, I think he's got a very special relationship with his grandmother, with a very strange stuff they started it, and very well known celebrities in their own countries. There was a bit of a too low. Jan went too low. Filip Dukic looks like he's attacking more with jabs, even though not founding his opponent so far. He went really nice and near, but he just waited for being punched instead of punching. And I think he got one with a left, and it's a little red below his eyes. That was a nice left-hander. 1 and 2 from the Czech boxer. The Czech is in the black shorts. He tries with the jabs. Dukic, so that was a really tough punch. And counting immediately. That's it for the celebrities. You have to be a little bit more careful. Okay, that's no question, obviously. It was a very nice punch. Don Filippo is in trouble a little bit. And three counting in one round will tell the spectators. With 2 minutes we have, and 5 counting in the whole of the fight is possible. It is cyclamen hair. Don Filip Dukic is coming and coming, but I saw his Czech opponent much better. And since the points are awarded according to the professionals, whoever was counted cannot win, obviously, the round. So whoever was knocked down cannot win this round. So that is just basically, it was just one punch where he Filip Don was attacking, was there and was punching nice. The Czech celebrity for some nice jabs, and from the this was a really nice. That was a very tough one. Actually, he's just sitting here in the blue corner, and his trainer is not happy. I can tell you that much. Well, not much of a chance. I wouldn't be happy if I would be his trainer. Of course not. His activity is okay. There was no problem, but he's very open. And now he started with a nice right-hander. He welcomed his opponent. He tries it. He is a strong guy. However, it's nice defense from the Czech one. Ooh, that was a heavy one. Yeah. Oh, that's a very tough sport, rugby. Am I right? Yes, that's another one. Really nice. The left-handers are beautiful. And it's really efficient. And he aims and he finds his target as well. He's holding his hands really nicely. Nice, very nice. A nice uppercut also. The Czech guy is boxing really nicely. Yeah, the rhythm is not that high. However, Filip Dukic is looking a bit tired. That was another tough one with his right hand. And he is tiring. That was another nice one. Look, his mouth is open, so he's very tired. Oh, and 2 from the right hand again. Beki is counting again. This is the second time she has to count on Filip Dukic. It is really tired. 3.5 minutes gone, and that's it. That was it. It's over. She does not allow to go. Referee stops contest. He is not able to continue. Basically, he gave up. Filip Dukic just gave up, actually. After 8, you have to show that you want to continue, if you're able to continue, and Filip Dukic thought it was enough. And he just didn't say, yes, I want to continue. Basically, yeah, the red corner is really happy. Of course, you can understand that. The Czech guy, the Czech celebrity, who will have his fight on the 15th of December. Filip Dukic can also because can also be happy because he's got a new wife. She used to be his grandmother, but now, well, grandmother, I wasn't sure, but she just probably not really refused him. Maybe she will go over to the red corner and will choose Sveceny as his life partner, maybe. Yeah, he started well, actually, Dukic. The first first minute maybe was his, and that was the first counting, and that meant it's over. And it was tired, Filip Dukic, and another big punch, and he just let it go, actually, because he just didn't say he wants to continue, and he didn't even say he doesn't want to continue. So basically, it was really good left-handers from Jan Sveceny, from the Czech corner, from the red corner, and some left-handers with right-handers and some hooks after the jab, so it was good. Against Stratomir Georgiev.
És uraim, a mérkőzés második menetében technikai KO-val győzött. Ladies and gentlemen, in round number 2, we have your winner by TKO, Jan Sveceny!
What an experience.